Hey guys, this is M&J Auto Power Equipment Repair. This is part 2 of the Craftsman. No start. I apologize. I thought this was recording while I showed the steps to put the carburetor rebuild kit in the carburetor. I apologize for that. Um, so we hooked up the carburetor back onto the lawnmower. We got the linkage all situated. We're ready to put the rest of the mower back together. Again, I apologize for not being able to show you guys the reassembly of the carburetor. If somebody would like to know how to put one together, I can make a video especially for that. Okay guys, so we're installing the blower housing right now. And the next thing we're gonna do is install the air intake box. And you also want to make sure that you put seals on. That helps from dirt getting into the motor. And the one on the other side is a little bit tricky to get to, so I'm just going to spin her around here. Oh shoot guys, I almost forgot. Before you put this air intake box on, you need to hook up your gas line and gas tank. I've forgotten to do that. Now, for those of you who are wondering, did I go to school for this? Yes, I did. I went to BOCES for this. I got my degree in it. Just a little forgetful sometimes, but I always seem to catch myself. Just want to make sure that gas line's nice and snug on there. It's now nice and snug on there, guys. So now let's proceed to put the air box on. Put your seal on there. Alrighty then. And put your air box on. And put your other bolt in there. And double check to make sure that nothing has came off. Okay guys, everything looks okay. So let me clean out the air filter and then I will put that back in the box and part 3 will be the start. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.